Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. Children, in the previous period, we have started with a new lesson. Do you remember? Yes, we have learned the new words also. Then, frame sentences. And I had explained you in short about the lesson. Okay? Today we are going to continue with the remaining part of the lesson. Children, do you remember which lesson we have started? Yes, that is lesson number 10. Who will bell the cat? Okay? Before starting, we are going to drill the words once. Okay, what we have learnt in the previous periods. Only once we are going to drill. Okay. You are going to repeat after teacher. First one is answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Number 2, mice. M-I-C-E. Mice. Number 3, lived. L-I-V-E-D. Lived. Number 4, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Number 5, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing. Number 6, hole. W-H-O-L-E. Hole. Number 7, chasing. C-H-A-S-I-N-G. Chasing. Number 8, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Number 9, babies. B-A-B-I-E-S. Babies. Number 10, back. B-A-C-K. Back. Number 11, holes. H-O-L-E-S. Holes. Number 12, together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. Number 13, always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Number 14, think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Number 15, anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. Number 16, softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y. Softly. Number 17, never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. Number 18, here. H-E-A-R. Here. Number 19, hang. H-A-N-G. Hang. Number 20, bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Number 21, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Number 22, around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Number 23, neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. 24, ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. Number 25, everyone. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. Everyone. Number 26, clapped. C-L-A-P-P-E-D. Clapped. Number 27, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Number 28, another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. So children, we have finished drilling the words once. Okay. Now I will start with the reading. Okay, I will read a lesson once. First you are going to listen to the teacher. When teacher is reading, you are going to listen to the teacher and just listen. You are going to listen to the teacher and look in your book. You are going to remove your New Voices textbook and you are going to open page number 80. 80. Okay, and you are going to just listen how teacher is reading. Okay, and you are going to keep your index finger and you are going to see in your book and listen to the teacher. Okay, so shall we start? Lesson number 10. Who will bell the cat? Lesson number 10. Who will bell the cat? Okay. Children, listen and look in your book. Okay. Long, long ago, in a big house, lived many mice. They lived in the kitchen. They lived in the drawing room. They lived in the bedrooms. They ran about the whole house. In the same house lived a big fat cat. She was always chasing them. The mice were scared of her. Even their babies would run back into their holes when they saw her coming. Again I'll read. Just listen. Long, long ago. Children, see the first line, okay? In a big house lived many mice. They lived in the kitchen. They lived in the drawing room. They lived in the bedrooms. They ran about the whole house. In the same house lived a big fat cat. She was always chasing them. The mice were scared of her. Even their babies would run back into their holes when they saw her coming. Okay? It is continued down. So, one day all the mice got together. They said, "How do we stop the cat? She is always chasing us." Some said this and some said that, but no one could think of anything. At last, a little mouse got up and said, "She walks softly. We never hear her come. Let us hang let us hang a small bell around her neck. When she walks, it will ring, so we can run away when she comes close." Again, once more I'll read. So, one day, all the mice got together. They said, "How do we stop the cat? She's always chasing us." Some said this and some said that, but no one could think of anything. At last, a little mouse got up and said, "She walks softly. We never hear her come. Let us hang a small bell around her neck. When she walks, it will ring, so we can run away when she comes close. Now go to the next page. Everyone clapped. You are right. We can run away when we hear the bell. Just then, an old mouse got up and said, You are right. But who will put the bell around the cat's neck? All the mice looked at one another, but no one had an answer. Again, once more I will read. Everyone clapped. You are right. We can run away when we hear the bell. Just then, an old mouse got up and said, You are right. But who will put the bell around the cat's neck? All the mice looked at one another, but no one had an answer. Okay? Again, once I will read the full lesson. Now, children, you are going to listen and you are going to repeat after teacher. Okay? Lesson number 10. Who will bell the cat? Long, long ago, in a big house lived many mice. They lived in the kitchen, they lived in the drawing room, they lived in the bedrooms. They ran about the whole house. In the same house lived a big fat cat. She was always chasing them. The mice were scared of her. Even their babies would run back into their holes when they saw her coming. So, one day, all the mice got together. They said, How do we stop the cat? She's always chasing us. Some said this and some said that. But no one could think of anything. At last, a little mouse got up and said, She walks softly. We never hear her come. Let us hang a small bell around her neck. When she walks, it will ring, so we can run away when she comes close. Everyone clapped. You are right. We can run away when we hear the bell. Just then, an old mouse got up and said, You are right. But who will put the bell around the cat's neck? All the mice looked at one another, but no one had an answer. Okay? So, we have finished today's lessons reading. Okay? Now, children, I am going to ask you a few questions based on the lesson and you are going to answer to the teacher. Okay? Name the rooms where the mice lived. Come on, tell me. Which are the rooms where the mice lived? Yes, they lived in the mice lived in the kitchen, drawing room and bedroom. Okay? Name the rooms where the mice lived. The mice lived in the kitchen, drawing room and bedroom. Next question. Describe the cat. Means you have to tell how was the cat, how the cat was looking. The cat is big and fat. Describe the cat. The cat is big and fat. Who gave the new idea? Who gave the new idea? A little mouse gave the new idea. A little mouse gave the new idea. Okay? Now, we'll do one activity. Circle the odd man out. Odd one out, you are going to circle. Okay, I'll explain you what is odd man out. Now see the first one. You can see different words here. I'll read the words. First one is pen, then pencil, dog and book. Now from these four words, what is pen? Pen is a thing. What is pencil? Pencil is also a thing. What is dog? Dog is an animal. And what is book? Book is a thing. So pen, pencil and book, what are they? They are the things. But here in this, which is odd? Which is not a thing? Dog. So dog is what? It is an animal. So that is odd one. Okay? It is odd man in these words. So what you are going to do? You are going to circle dog. So circle, the dog is odd one, no? Circle dog. Okay? Next one. Second one, cow, eat, buffalo and goat. Now in this, cow is what? It is an animal. Eat is what? We are doing the action, we are eating, no? Okay, that is action word. Buffalo, what is buffalo? It is an animal. Goat is also animal. So, which is odd one here? Eat. What is eat? It is an action word. So, we are going to circle eat. Circle eat. Okay? Now, next one. Third one. Eye, ear, nose and egg. Now, which is odd one here? Eye, ear, nose and egg. Which is odd one? Yes, egg. Why egg is odd one? Because eye is a part of the body, ear is a part of the body, nose is a part of the body, and what is egg? Egg is a thing. So, egg we are going to circle. Understood? Now next, number 4. Train, yellow, red, green. Now in this, which is the odd one? Train, yellow, red and green. Yes, train. Why train is odd one? Because train is a thing. Okay, it's a vehicle. And yellow, red and green, what are they? They are the colors. So train is odd man out. So children, you are going to write this activity in your notebook and you are going to circle the odd man out. Okay? Now what you are going to do? You are going to remove your New Voices textbook. We are going to do the activity. Okay? Textbook activities we are going to do. So take out page number 81. Take out page number 81. Take your pencil. Write today's date on page number 81. At the top, you are going to write today's date. And you are going to write with the teacher. Okay? In your New Voices textbook. Okay? Yes. Now, fill in the blanks. First one. The mice were dash of the cat. Come on. What will be the answer? The mice were scared of the cat. So write scared in the blank space. The mice were scared of the cat. Write scared. Okay. Number 2. The mice lived in a big house. Write the answer house. Yes. Next, number 3. The big fat cat was always dash the mice. Chasing the mice. The big fat cat was always chasing the mice. Number 4. The mice decided to hang a small dash around the cat's dash. The mice decided to hang a small bell around the cat's, yes, neck. So write the answer, bell and neck. Number 5. The cat walks dash, so the mice could not hear her come. So the cat walks softly, so the mice could not hear her come. Finish writing the answers? Yes, children? Very good. Write in a neat handwriting. Next. Now, match the following. Match the words with mean the same thing. Okay? The words which means the same thing. So, one is done for you. Just see, softly is done for you. Softly. What is the other meaning for softly means? Quietly, without making noise. Softly means without making the noise. Followed? Now, we'll see the next one. Right. What is the first one here? Number 1, small. So, small means what? Small means small. Means little. So, small and little match. Do it, teacher. Match small and little. Match. Now, next. Right. Yes, right means? Yes, correct. Right means correct. Match. Right, correct. I'll use another color, okay? Different colors I will use for matching. Okay, now we will use other one, purple. Now, right. Right means correct. Match, correct. Next, heavy. Heavy means what? Heavy means large. Heavy means large. Large, match. Okay. Then softly is done. Then tall. Tall means high. Tall means high. Match, high. Then sad. Sad means unhappy. Sad means unhappy. Okay? Match nicely. Okay? Now we'll go to the next question. Now, fill in the blanks with appropriate position words given in the box. Now, you have learned position words, no? Okay. So, here in the box, position words are given and you have to write this position words in the correct blanks. Okay. You have to observe the picture properly and you have to write the answers. I'll read the position words which are given in the bracket. In, on, under, behind, between and over. See, in, on, under, behind, between and over. Okay. Now with these position words we are going to write in the blank space. First one, the cat is dash the chair. See, observe the picture properly. See, observe this picture. Where is the cat? See the cat. Where is this cat? The cat is dash the chair. Yes, the cat is under the chair. So write under. The cat is under the chair. Number 2. The cat is dash the chair. See, where is the cat? Here in this picture. Where is the cat? Yes, the cat is on the chair. So write on. The cat is on the chair. Next one, number 3. The cat is dash the basket. Now see here this cat. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is, yes, in the basket. Write in. The cat is in the basket. Number 4. The bird is dash the blocks. See, where is the bird? Can you see the bird here? Where is the bird? The bird is, come on, tell. Yeah, the bird is between the blocks. The bird is between the blocks. The cow, number 5. The cow is dash the tree. Where is the cow? The cow is, you can see the cow here. So where is the cow? The cow is behind the tree. The cow is behind the tree. Number 6. The boy is jumping dash the bench. See the boy. Where is he jumping? He is jumping, yes, over the bench. The boy is jumping over the bench. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Use prepositions in the blanks to describe your daily routine. Now this is the first one. First line, can you see? My name is. See, you are going to write my name is. You are going to write your name. Your only name you are going to write. No need of writing the surname. So my name is. Write your name. Next, I am in class or at class. First, I am in class first. Okay. Next, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning, or I wake up in 7 o'clock every morning. Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Right answer. Next, I go to school in a bus or at a bus. Yes, I go to school in a bus. Next, I come home from school in or over the afternoon. I come home from school in the afternoon. Next, and then I go for my music class near my home or at my home. Music class, I go for my music class near my home or at my home. Near my home. Next, I play with my friends in the evening or on the evening. In the evening. I play with my friends in the evening. Next, I help my mom in doing her dishes or on doing the dishes. Yes, I help my mom in doing the dishes. I watch television only on weekends or near weekends. Yes, on weekends. I watch television only on weekends. Okay? Now, children, we are finished with our today's lesson. Okay? We ended with our today's lesson. You all are going to read this lesson 3 times. How many times? 3 times. And we will meet in the next period with the new poem. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.